VHP has demanded that Delhi be renamed to Indraprastha. In fact, a letter has been written to Minister Kapil Mishra. In a letter to Delhi Culture Minister Kapil Mishra, Delhi unit of the VHP has demanded renaming Delhi to Indraprastha, and besides that also has demanded renaming Indira Gandhi International Airport as Indraprastha International Airport, Delhi Railway Station as Indraprastha Railway Station. Name of Delhi should be changed back to Indraprastha so that name of the capital can be associated with its ancient history and culture. This is what the VHP has said in that particular letter. Let's get in some political reactions.
देखिए, दिल्ली जो है इंद्रप्रस्थ के नाम से चिरकाल से जानी जाती है। खासकर जब पांडवों का जो की राजधानी थी उस समय से लेकर के आज तक पांडवकालीन जो स्मारक हैं वो दिल्ली के अंदर आज भी विद्यमान है, लेकिन उनकी नगण्यता हो गई है और उनके ऊपर जो है मुगलिया सल्तनत के जो मानसिकता है वो हावी हो गई है। इसलिए इंद्रप्रस्थ विश्व हिंदू परिषद ने मांग की है कि इस राजधानी को उसका पुराना वैभव और पुराना गौरव लौटाया जाए और इसका नाम इंद्रप्रस्थ रखा जाए।
All right, we're joined by Shreya Ghosh on this. Shreya, VHP wants Delhi to be renamed to Indraprastha as that name can be associated with ancient history and culture. Take us through the details of the letter and the larger demands that have been made.
Well, this is a clear-cut case of cultural nationalism aligned with, the Hindutva narrative, which has been, trying to, remove this decolonization, the colonization hangover. And there has been several name changes in the recent past. And this time we are seeing VHP has demanded the Delhi government to rename Delhi, the name of this very city, to Indraprastha, which was, of course, it is through the association of Mahabharata. It was the capital of the Pandavas, and the main crux of it is that when there are heritage walks in our national capital, it shouldn't just focus on the Islamic rulers, but there should be focus on the Hindu rulers and the temples, and that the history of Hemu, the ruler, should be taught in the curriculum as well. This has been the main demand of VHP, although we have not received reaction from Delhi government yet. But in the recent past, we have seen post 2014 there has been several name changes, from Gurgaon to Gurugram, and Allahabad to Prayagraj, and all these different name changes. But this time around, this is a very big demand that the VHP is making, just to sort of make the Hindu history, to revive the Hindu history, because they are saying that if you keep the name Delhi, then you're just connecting the history up to 2000 years. But if you're renaming it to Indraprastha, then you are connecting the 5,000 years old Hindu history and the Hindu glory, and that is what the VHP has been demanding, and we have to wait and watch what the Delhi government has to say about this. Of course, critics say that this will lead to polarization, it will remove the syncretic fabric of Delhi, but supporters believe that no, this is in fact restoration and rewriting of history, and reclaiming our sort of Hindu identity. So we will have to wait and watch what the Delhi government has to say about these demands of renaming the city, the national capital of our country, from Delhi to Indraprastha. Back to you.